Welcome to the Hard Reset Pro channel. Today I will show you how to connect headphones in your 3mm jack on the ZTE Blade A36. So it's quite simple. First turn off your screen. And now look at your headphone jack right here. Grab your headphone cable and insert it in. Make sure it clicks. And now you've connected your headphones. Let's see if they work. Turn on your screen, unlock your phone, and now change the volume. As you can see, the little icon here has headphones, so we've connected headphones. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.